Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily add calculator shortcut to the control center. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up settings. Then scroll down for a bit until you find Control Center, and then you can scroll down and search for Calculator shortcut at More Controls section. Once you find that shortcut, you can just hit at that plus sign to move it to included controls, which means that calculator shortcut is already at your control center. You can swipe down from the top of the screen, from the top right corner actually, and as you can see, calculator icon is already here. You can tap on that to open up the calculator, and also you can change the order of these shortcuts simply by dragging them up or down in that simple way. Let's say I want to place it at the second position, and that means that calculator shortcut is at the second position at your control center now. If you want to remove some shortcuts from the control center, you can go back to control center settings and then just hit at that minus sign and select remove. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.